Hey Princeton. So what I'm going to do with you really quickly is go through the correct answers from the study guide. So as I go through these answers, you need to be marking in this box. If you get it incorrect, you put an X. You can put a check if you get it right. You can leave it blank if you get it right. But if you get it wrong, you need to mark an X. So for question number 1, the correct answer is C. For question number 2, B. Number 3, D. For question number 4, that was the matching. A went with 4, B went with 5, C went with 2, D went with 1, and E went with 3. I would mark that correct, or I would mark that incorrect only if you really didn't get any or didn't get more than half. 5 is A, 6D, 7C, 8C, 9C, 10B. For question number 11, the answer is Australia. For 12, the answer is New Orleans. Question 13 is A, 14B, 15D, 16B, 17A. For question number 18, I bolded and underlined the ones that you should have circled. So those are the examples of cultural diffusion or something that creates cultural diffusion, which are war, trade, rivers, colonization, exploration, and migration. So those should be circled, whereas mountains, deserts, and oceans should be X'd. For number 19, it's B, 20 is C, 21 is B, 22 is C, and 23 is A. So after you've corrected those, what I want you to do is look at where you have kind of the most X's in a row, because these are all divided by topics. So for example, if you got 1 wrong in Louisiana culture and geography for questions 1 through 3, but then for those map skills questions, you got 4 wrong, 5 wrong, 6 wrong, 7 wrong, you want to take a look at which ones over here where your X's are with the same topic. So there's all these different topics, and you want to kind of see which is the topic that you struggled the most with. You're going to actually pick two of the topics that you struggled the most with. So whichever 2 topics that you have the most X's in are going to be the 2 topics that you focus on today. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into your independent review packet, and you're going to go on to the agenda for social studies. On the side, it says benchmark review in all caps with an exclamation. You're going to click on that, and then there's all the videos, the Educanon videos for each of those topics that we've already done. So whichever 2 topics you struggled with the most, you're going to watch an Educanon video on, take some notes in your packet, answer the questions to give yourself a little extra review. If you have any questions, raise your hands. Good luck. And if you want to do more than 2, you are absolutely welcome to, but you will be graded on 2 today.